So this is a quick tutorial on how to create stop motion videos with your phone only. I mean your smartphone only. And remember, your creativity has to play here. So you must have imagined what you want to create with your product before you start making your stop motion videos. It's so easy, trust me. This is the easiest tutorial you will come across. So if you're new to my channel, please, I would love that you subscribe to my channel. And of course, hit the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos like this. And also, do me a favor, just like this video and drop a comment. So let's get into this immediately. So for this kind of video, I'm sorry, you need a phone stand. It's very necessary so your phone is stable and it doesn't move, because that is the criteria to creating stop motion videos with your phone. You need a phone stand. And of course, I love my sunlight so much, so I'm out here using the sunlight to shoot this particular video. A phone light for stability, a phone stand for stability, and then your phone, you place your object and boom, you're ready to start shooting your video. So here we are, we're going to your phone's camera and we're going to photos, because we're going to be snapping several photos. So all you have to do at this point is snap while you're moving the object in the direction you want to move it. So it might not be really clear what I'm snapping, but I don't know, I'm sure you understand the idea at this point. So having taken all my shots, I want to get all of them into my editing app, which is CapCut. So I've opened my CapCut app. I'll click on new project and I'll go to photos. I'll bring in all the photos I took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, you have your concept. This is just a sample, so you should be more creative than this. I'm just showing you how to achieve a stop motion video. So you add all 10 into the app. You add all 10 and here you go. These are all your photos you snapped. These are all the photos you snapped. So remember, you can always crop in, but let's crop in so don't miss anything, because cropping now could make us mix up everything. We're going to reduce the duration. Instead of 3.0 seconds, as you can see, we reduce it to 0.4 or so. Let's see how 0.4 goes. Let's see how that goes. 0.4, 0.4 for all the clips. 0.4 for all the clips. Make sure they're all on 0.4 duration. Let's see if that works. Let's see how that works. Let's see how that works. 0.4 duration. Let's check out what we've done first. So let's go. So you get an accurate you get accurate photographs. Okay. Yeah, did you see that? So you can definitely add your music to it, and any write-offs you want to do, you've learned how to do that already. So just complete it from here. Thank you.